BCCI is currently livid with the KKR management on the Gambhir controversy. They want an explanation from Shah Rukh's team. This brings us to the question whether the BCCI was bullied into submission.
So went for the MRI, but I still doesn't know the report exactly what it is. Once I go back, I'm going to speak to the physio and see, because he has the report. He never wanted to discuss with me before the game, so he thought that after the game he'll discuss with me. I think it's hurting. Can't throw. During the last game, I fell while sliding, and after that I threw one ball. So went for the MRI, but I still doesn't know the report exactly what it is. Once I go back, I'm going to speak to the physio and see, because he has the report. He never wanted to discuss with me before the game, so he thought that after the game he'll discuss with me.
And in the latest from the Gambhir injury controversy, the BCCI is likely to decide on Gautam Gambhir's status insofar as the West Indies series tour is concerned in the evening at around 5 p.m.
Meanwhile, in the fresh news coming in from the BCCI camp, they've gone on to contradict Gambhir's statement that he did not know about that report. BCCI saying that Gambhir was well aware of the situation, and also sources adding that KKR management is yet to give an explanation on the controversy.
After Times Now first reported about the seriousness of Gautam Gambhir's injury, here are some exclusive visuals of the injured Gautam Gambhir at the team hotel just after KKR's match against Mumbai Indians last night. We can clearly see Gambhir there wearing a shoulder pad as he nurses his injured shoulder. Gambhir said that he himself was unaware of the extent of his injury, as KKR physio Andrew Lippis did not discuss his medical report with him before the match against Mumbai. Certainly the franchisee as well as the player have a lot to answer for.
Now, Gautam Gambhir's coach Sanjay Bharadwaj too has reiterated that Gambhir was kept in the dark about his injury.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये तो है कि अगर प्लेयर्स को अपनी इंजरी के बारे में पहले पता चल जाएगा तो नेचुरली है कि वो अपने जो आगे वाला कैरियर है उस कैरियर को बढ़ा सकते हैं. अगर वो इंजरी में खेलेंगे तो उनका कैरियर और कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे एज के साथ अपना कैरियर भी ऊपर बढ़ता है. तो अगर उनको पता होता तो मुझे तो लगता नहीं कि वो आगे कंटिन्यू करते, रेस्ट ही लेते.
Sushar is in fact joining us from the Mumbai newspaper for more details. Sushar, the big question is, was BCCI bullied? Who's lying and who's hiding facts here?
Well, that's a question that currently has no answers, especially since the BCCI has claimed the KKR team management did not inform them on time about the injury. But the KKR team management in their defense is saying that the BCCI was informed about the preliminary report as early as May 23rd. Now, here Gautam Gambhir himself claims that he did not know the extent of the injury and the physio did not inform him about the same. So, obviously, there are three different versions at this point of time. So, whose version is correct is very difficult to say at this point of time, and the BCCI is scheduled to take a decision this evening, which is likely to happen after the Indian team physio reads the reports and gives his opinion on the physio's report from KKR.
Now, Shusha, as far as the KKR camp is concerned, Shah Rukh is silent. There's no word from the BCCI. When can we expect some sort of clarity about what really happened?
Well, we are expecting a reaction from the Kolkata Knight Riders camp shortly. The BCCI, on the other hand, is scheduled to have a meeting later today where they will take into confidence Gautam Gambhir's version, and also following which they will ask the national team physio for his report and will collectively take a decision. Now, remember, the tour to West Indies where Gautam Gambhir is supposed to captain the ODI and the T20 series is just a week away. So, there's no time for Gautam Gambhir to undergo any intense rehabilitation as has been required in the report. Now, the report clearly says that he needs 4 to 6 weeks of rest, but neither does Gautam Gambhir nor does BCCI have the time. So, will the BCCI, step in here and not let Gautam Gambhir go ahead for the tour? That's a question that needs to be answered. But yes, at this point of time, a lot of unanswered questions in all three camps. But we are expecting reactions from all of them shortly.